Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the various mechanisms which control the motility of alimentary canal. The motility of alimentary canal involves coordinated contractions of circular and longitudinal smooth muscle layers of the alimentary canal. This coordination is coordinated or regulated by a combination of intrinsic mechanisms and extrinsic mechanisms. First, we shall discuss in detail the intrinsic mechanisms which are dependent on the intrinsic myogenic properties of the smooth muscles of the gut. As the smooth muscles of the gut are myogenic, they are capable of producing an intrinsic cycle of electrical activity. This leads to muscle contraction without any involvement of external neural stimulation. अगर इन मसल्स को सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से मैसेज ना भी आए तो भी ये अपना इलेक्ट्रिकल रिदम खुद जनरेट कर रहे होते हैं. Intrinsic cycle occurs due to the rhythmic depolarizations and repolarizations of the cells of smooth muscles of the digestive tract. This rhythm is known as basic electrical rhythm or BER. BER involves spontaneous slow waves of depolarization. These waves progress slowly along the muscle layer. Some of these slow waves give rise to action potentials due to inward flow of calcium current. These calcium currents lead to contractions of smooth muscle cells. Dear students, the amplitude of slow wave basic electrical rhythm is modulated by local influences as well as chemical stimulation. Local influences include, for example, the stretching of muscle tissue by the luminal food content. जब इंटेस्टाइन के या डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक के किसी भी हिस्से में फूड एंटर होती है तो ये मसल्स को डिस्टेंड करती है और इट कॉजेज बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल रिदम. इसी तरह से काइम में मौजूद मुख्तलिफ सब्सटेंसेस म्यूकोसल लाइनिंग में केमिकल स्टिमुलेशन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं which results in generation of basic electrical rhythm. Yes, students, now we shall discuss the extrinsic mechanisms. First, we shall discuss the extrinsic hormonal mechanisms, and then we shall discuss the extrinsic neuronal mechanisms. Chyme contains many types of chemicals obtained through the food. Some of these chemical substances in chyme act as stimulant which cause the release of gastrointestinal peptide hormone GIP. GIP in turn modulates the motility of the muscle tissue. Dear students, now we shall discuss the extrinsic neural mechanisms. The gastrointestinal tract's smooth muscles are diffusely innervated by postganglionic neurons of sympathetic and autonomic nervous system. इसके अलावा they are also innervated by aminergic and peptidergic neurons. These innervations of neurons control gastrointestinal tract's motility. First, we shall discuss the parasympathetic network of neurons, which receive their input via the branches of vagus nerve. These neurons are comprised of cholinergic nerves or neurons. Cholinergic neurons produce acetylcholine, which is released from their nerve endings. Acetylcholine mediates excitatory actions. For example, increased motility and increased gastrointestinal secretions. इसके मुकाबले में जो sympathetic network है, that is comprised of adrenergic neurons, which release norepinephrine from the nerve endings. Norepinephrine का function inhibitory होता है. It has inhibitory effect on the motility of stomach and intestine, so it inhibits the smooth muscle cells to develop action potentials, जो कि बुनियादी तौर पर मायोजेनिक हैं और खुद एक्शन पोटेंशियल जनरेट कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन ये एक्सट्रिंसिक फैक्टर्स उनको एक्शन पोटेंशियल्स जनरेट करने से रोक देते हैं. Now we shall discuss the innervations of aminergic neurons, which release from their nerve endings ATP, 5-HT, that is 5-hydroxytryptamine, dopamine, and gamma aminobutyric acid, GABA. The peptidergic neurons, which innervate the lining of smooth muscle of the gastrointestinal tract, release many substances as transmitters. For example, enkephalins, vasoactive intestinal polypeptide, substance P, gastrin releasing peptide, neurotensin, cholecystokinin, and neuropeptide Y, which is also called pancreatic polypeptide. Release of these host of transmitter substances allows a very fine control over the numerous interacting functions of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal के जो बहुत सारे functions हैं, उनमें जो फाइन बैलेंस रखा जाता है और फाइन कंट्रोल है, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दीज टू मैनी सब्सटेंसेस जो कि इस सारे प्रोसेस को कंट्रोल करते हैं.